What farmers will say time and time again, and what Michael is saying there tonight is, essentially it's livelihoods at stake here. And, the dairy sector, it was like, yes, we want to increase quotas and do all that. And we're welcoming all of this. And now there is this, obviously, decision that is made that has been forced upon us to meet our climate targets. And then news of this, cull emerging, right, well, albeit voluntary. Well, will it be voluntary? Is that the way you see it working?
Can I just say, first of all, it's 100% wrong that there's going to be a cull, that there's any paper suggesting a cull. It's 100% wrong. And Michael himself should know this because it has been flagged that no, there is not a cull. A cull is a completely different thing to reducing a herd over time. And actually, farmers are the ones...
So what is a voluntary dairy reduction scheme?
So what it is that over time, farmers don't restock to the same level as they did. So that over time, their herds are reducing. But it isn't a cull which is taking out cows and killing them. That's not what it is. And that creates huge fear and anxiety amongst farmers. And I think that Michael knows that and is using it. And we have repeated this numerous times to Michael, that that's not what it is. But actually what this is an exit scheme for dairy farmers. I come from a dairy farming background myself, that the farmers themselves have asked for and have called for, because they can see the schemes, the environmental schemes that are oversubscribed. Every single environmental scheme in the country is oversubscribed. Farmers want to sign up to it, and dairy farmers also want a scheme so that they can sign up to it, so that they get money in their pocket if they do reduce their herds. But it's completely voluntary. It's completely voluntary, and Minister McConalogue has done the work in the background. So it's a Fianna Fáil minister, has done the work in the background. I asked him about it myself a few months ago. Where is this exit scheme that the farmers have been looking for? And that's what this is about.
Farmers want it.
Rubbish. What she's doing is playing with words. A cull, reduction, reducing.
It's
what it means is that we have less
and you know
cows out there than what we have at present. And you know you're talking through your hat. Do you remember one thing about Ireland?
You've been found out now, Michael,
remember one thing about Ireland.
You're talking about something completely different.
And remember one thing about who the real green people are. They're the custodians of the countryside.
Hang on a second now.
They're
Charlie McConalogue is the Agriculture Minister here. It's within his department.
Yes. But what I'm saying to you, and I'm saying to y'all,
the custodians of the land want this scheme.
The environment in Ireland, and the real people who we should be listening to are the farmers. And I'm listening to young farmers.
And are the farmers not looking, in part, dairy farmers looking for an exit scheme? If everyone else is getting a grant, why can't we?
No.
That's what Pauline's saying.
The only reason people are talking about a scheme now for exiting, they're trying to make it a bad thing look good. It is not good. Farmers want to be left alone. They want to be allowed to continue producing milk, producing beef, which they're good at and better than anywhere else in the world.
Right.
And you completely ignore the fact that we do it more efficient than anyone else. If you could tell me it's a good idea for them to be cutting down trees below in Brazil, to clear ground, to grow grass, to have more beef, to export it here to us, the same as what we're doing with the importation of turf.
Farmers are responsible. They know the future is green. It puts money in their pockets.
If we're so smart, we're bringing in bales of briquettes from Germany now. We were producing them in Ireland before. You forgot about the horticultural industry completely.
And do you know what?
That's an issue. It's the same issue.